Satoshi, for the love of crypto and coffee. On today's episode, I'm going to talk about RNDR, a great project I discovered on the trending on CoinGecko, a great way to discover what people are looking for, and this is give you insight what is popular at the moment and the market. So just before moving on with RNDR and all features available listed on the website, I want you to take a couple of action for this outstanding channel, Crypto and Coffee. The first one is subscribe. Psh, psh. Smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Psh, psh, psh. Leave a nice comment below about RNDI or other projects similar you want me to cover. Go for it, leave a nice comment below. Press the bell notification, bing, 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 to get notified every single day from Monday through Friday, 5 episodes a week, and as well spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the street at school. You have all my gratitude if you take those actions right now. So let's go back to RNDI. I need to take some coffee prior to keep going. So it's a strange name, isn't it? Beautiful, well-designed graphic cards here. I'm going to close the beautiful ads here. Otoi token-based random network. Distributed GPU rendering on the blockchain. Strange. Right from the bat in the main page, we cannot understand what you can do with this project. So we need to move forward. So I'm going to read that part. Here is the About sections. Otoi provide GPU-based software solutions that aid in the creation and delivery of cutting-edge digital content. Octane Render is the world's first and fastest GPU-accelerated, unbiased, physically correct renderer. Octane uses the graphic card in the computer to render photorealistic images super fast. With Octane parallel compute capability, you can create stunning work in a fraction of the time. Boom! Otoi Academy award-winning technology is used by leading visual effects studio, artists, animators, designers, architects, and engineers, providing unprecedented creative freedom, new level of realism, and new economics and content creation and digital power by the cloud. Otoi was founded in 2008 by Joe Orbach, sorry about it, Alison Greger, and Malcolm Taylor. Since then, the company has grown to over 60 employees across 4 offices with headquarters in Los Angeles, California. So this is the introduction. Our vision is to democratize GPU cloud rendering. So this is all about, this is the core mission. So you can tap into GPU mining into the cloud or something like that. So they call it rendering. So the render network create a much more efficient, powerful, and widely scalable rendering network. I need to take some coffee. If you want to know more, you can read, you can watch the video here of the founder here. I'm going to read that part so we got discovered at the same time what exactly is behind the scene of this company that over 60 employees. The Wonder Network, through the use of RNDR tokens, is the first network to transform the power of GPU compute into a decentralized economy of connecting 3D assets. Pretty cool. So we start to understand what's the core mission or what they do in the world. Network to transfer the power of GPU compute into a decentralized economy of connected 3D asset. Otoi vision is to distribute the framework of existing rendering services and Octane Render using RNDR, a digital token built on the Ethereum blockchain. The render network is designed to connect users looking to perform render jobs and with people who have idle GPU to process the renders. Owners will connect the GPU to the render network in order to receive and complete rendering job from Octane Render. User will send RNDR to the individual performing the render work, and Otoi will receive a small percentage of RNDR for facilitating the transaction and running the render network. The problem, what's the problem? What's the solution? What they try to solve exactly with this project? And this is important to understand. The problem, our visual world is evolving at breakneck speed. Authoring and publishing state-of-art graphics is an immense challenge that is growing each day. The future's demand for advancing rendering will lead to even more complexity and require higher resolution and more interactivity. So we have four major points. The network scalability, the missing GPU network, a better use for GPU power, and digital right management. That's the main. I will not read every section of this part, so I invite you to read it on your home. But at high levels, they have four major components: network scalability, the missing GPU network, a better use for GPU powers, and digital rights management. All this thing is work. The renter network, as you can see, the renter network is the first network to transfer the power of GPU compute into a decentralized economy of connected 3D assets. Please read the RNDR knowledge base for more details. So if you want to dig deeper, go for it, learn the technology with this section of the RNDR knowledge base. But at high level, so user request job, they purchase the token, the RNDR token. So the render network, smart contract, blockchain powered by Ethereum. So the RNDR token, user processing job. Basically, people is going to buy the token on this network, on the render network, I mean. And then people who have the GPU will process the job for the user who requests a job, and he will receive and exchange the RNDR tokens. At high level, is the way that this mechanism is working on the flow chart. So they have two major components: the user who need to process power, who need to access power and process job, and the guys who process the GPU available on the network that have an incentive to accumulate this token in exchange of the processing power of their job. So potential users of the render network: the media, the industry, augmenting reality, mixing reality, gaming, medical, and virtual reality. The team: meet the founder and our advisor. Jill Arbach is the co-founder of Oitoy, and they have many people who work for this company, as you can see. And the core team, they have over 60 employees right now. And people handling the community outreach, media, and running as Valero, Forbes. They features on Forbes, VentureBeat, Uplo, FX Guide, Variety, Nasdaq. And they have a strong technology partner, Decentralized, SIA, Basic Attention Token, and Algorand. So you can leave your nice email here and stay in touch with the company. So this is really, really cool. As you can see here, subscribe to receive the news and update. Join the community on Telegram, my friend. This is all about. This is really cool. So basically, at high level, RNDR, the first network to transform the power of GPU compute into a decentralized economy of connected 3D assets. So this is all about, my friend. So I hope you really enjoyed the small introduction about the render token and what it's all about. I want you to take a couple of action. Prior, I need to take some coffee. So the first thing I want you to take is subscribe to this wonderful channel. Psh, psh. Smash the like button with vibrant and powerful energy. Psh, psh. Leave a nice comment below about what you think about render token. As well, smash the like, press the bell notification bell, bing, 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 to get notified from Monday through Friday with great content of value. As well, you can spread the love about this great channel at your workplace and the street at school. You have all my gratitude if you for watching until now. And see you on the next great episode made by Shay Satoshi. Have a great day ahead, my friend. Bye-bye.